YouTube video.
YouTube content.
Alright, well, it's about 3 o'clock and we started cutting. We took in 5 samples. We started the samples at 10 o'clock, then noon, then I guess 4, then 2, and then I don't really know. But we've taken in 4 samples. Finally dry enough. It's a good thing because everyone's kind of getting pissed off at each other. So hopefully we get quite a bit done today. I mean, it's 3 o'clock. The elevator closes about 8:30. So hopefully everything goes smooth. We get a good 5.5 hours of cutting in. It's like 80 degrees right now. Like the high today is 80 degrees. Luckily, I don't think we have any rain that we're supposed to get hit by. It's kind of like cloudy kind of today because I think there's wildfires somewhere around, so it makes the sky look a little funky. So might bring in a cool sunset though, so that'll be cool.
Alright, I'm just getting started here for the day. I think it's right on 3 o'clock here. Didn't get much cut yesterday. Got about an acre worth of samples taken in after we got some good rains the night before that. Yeah, I spent all day, didn't get nothing cut, so finally get started here about 3 o'clock. Took some samples in. I think first one was, what was it, 14.2, and then 13.5, and then 13, and then this last one was 12.5. So we're gonna roll and see what happens here. Hopefully we've only got about 700 acres left here, so hopefully we can get it knocked out in the next couple of days and move on with our lives and get ready for next year. So and for fall harvest. So we're gonna try and knock this field out. I don't think we have too much left here. And I don't know, we got 5-6 fields left for the guy.
This field's actually 160 acres. I didn't know how far the strips went back, and yeah, it's actually 160 acres instead of 80. I think we're about to finish up 80 acres, and I wouldn't be surprised if we call it a night because the elevator's closed. And, yeah, it's 160, so we're not going to finish it tonight. I think we'll finish 80 of it, and that's where we'll stop. We could finish it tonight, but there's no real reason to because it's already 9 o'clock.
Probably welded it on there, right?
We probably did.
It's not hitting very well. See, that isn't bad. I mean,
Yeah,
that's more a little, but that bearing will fit over that deal there. So the good thing about it, the bearing wasn't turning, right?
Yeah.
The bearing went out of this tire right here, so we took it off. Our dad's going for parts, so we're going to start cutting with 2 machines. I think we got a little under 400 acres left, so hopefully we can get that cut the next. We're hoping to kind of get close today, but with that combine being out of commission for quite a while, I'm hoping we get done tomorrow. We're hoping we can get most of it cut today, we're not supposed to have rain till Saturday. It's July 23rd, so it's almost 10 o'clock. So I think we're gonna start going.
All right, well, it's currently about 10 o'clock. We thought we're gonna have an easy, smooth morning, but the wheel bearing on Caden's combine is completely shot. We're lucky we didn't lose the tire last night. I don't know like how, or somehow nothing really bad happened other than the wheel bearings completely gone. So Dad's running after parts right now for that. Caden and Jackson are cutting with 2. Hopefully we have a smooth day other than that. Hopefully Dad can get that on before like around like 2-ish. I don't know how far he has to go for parts, so that's the only thing that's gonna screw us up. But yeah, we're lucky we caught that.
Yeah, I think so. Start on this one, go to the next big one, and then when we're at the north end of the field, we'll cut the 2 smaller patches separate or together, whatever we want to do.
Works for me.
Sounds good. Watch out for those telephone poles.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We don't need to have too long.
Referencing Mitch having one. It is almost 7 o'clock. We are about done. It's July 23rd. We're about done. We have this field that I'm working on that I'm about to finish right here. This could be the end for me actually, because we had one combine breakdown over where I'm at. So there's 2 of us on this field. It was 80 acres, and then we had like 90 acres left on the field. That we left because it started raining on us. So that could have been it for me for this summer. We had 80 acres and the combine breakdown, like you saw, the tire, the hub, and all that jazz was awesome. So that happened, and then when we were over here, we had the feeder chain get loose on one. It's making a very bad noise. So they fixed that, and then I finished this up over here, and then one of our hired men, Wade, was driving the combine over at the other field by the guy's house where we were gonna finish up. So there was 80 acres, and there were like 90-ish acres that we had to cut there, and we had, I don't know how much is around here, probably like 120 when they start over there, so I'm guessing there's a little bit left, but that'll probably be done by the time we get over there. So that'll be it for the summer, I believe. It's kind of sad. Really enjoyed this summer. We got a lot of acres cut. My machine says that it cut 2,678.9 acres, which I don't think is completely right, because I think it's cut more than that. I don't think my thing's right. So yeah, so this could be the end of the summer for Gebhardt harvesting. We still got to clean machines and get them back to our house in Kansas. It's a pretty good journey. There'll be some videos of that, and then I don't know what the future holds for combines and Gebhardt harvesting. We could change them, could keep these ones and run them another year. I'm not sure. So maybe we get John Deere's, maybe we get bigger cases, maybe we get Gleaners, maybe we get New Hollands, I don't know. So we'll kind of see where that goes. We'll try to keep you updated throughout the off season of harvest, and maybe show you some machines if we get them. So I actually did get to go cut on that last field. There was about less than 40 acres left, probably 35 acres left. So I got to jump over here, start cutting. Me and Cade made it over here. Mitch was in the combine over here. There was 1.5 strips left, so we're working on the last strip. It'll probably be a down back, and then one person will probably have to go down. There's not a lot left, so actually it gets cut a little bit more. So. Make sure you do a good job on that last strip, old man.
Yes, sir.
That's all she wrote for Gebhardt harvesting for a wheat harvest 2024. We'll try to get you guys some videos of us traveling home and stuff. So we'll try to get that, and so we can keep getting videos come out. We're gonna cut Milo towards the in the fall, and we will also be looking at combines and looking at other equipment. So we'll keep you updated on what kind of things go on in the off season of wheat harvest. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching all of our videos. We really appreciate it. It's awesome to have them so we can go back and watch them later on, and just be able to remember harvest and what kind of goes on during harvest. Sometimes you forget with how long it is and all the stuff that happens. But thank you guys all for watching. Please subscribe and like our videos. Thank you.
We'll figure something out for it. That's about all I got right now. Alright, whoa, it's really bumpy, but
Holy moly, can't